In my travels across the world, I saw one mistake in English. A mistake that made the speaker seem that instead of enjoying the soothing music of Mozart, he actually had sex with him. Don't make this mistake.
Welcome back, everybody. Welcome to English with John. So, what was Big Bear talking about? He was talking about the grammar difference between these two prepositions, with and to. Have you ever liked listening to music while working out? Or perhaps you turn on a video when you're doing some of your cleaning. Well, when you tell someone about it, make sure to not mix up the prepositions. It can be disastrous. The first grammar we're looking at is verb to something. And this is what we use when talking about when we're doing an action, the verb, and trying to listen or watch something during that action in order to gain motivation or energy so that we can work and play hard. For example, we can try to study to EDM, which means we're going to do studying, but also listen to EDM to get our energy, to get motivation to do our studying even better. Now, this grammar doesn't mean we give our study to EDM. It just means that we use EDM music to make our studying better, faster, easier than without it. Or we can work to a YouTube video. This doesn't really mean that we're doing something to YouTube, like some action to YouTube, but rather we're working and we have some video on in the background, to the side, maybe in our earphones. And while we're working, we're listening to this video, and it just helps make the day go a bit quicker, right? This is a pretty simple grammar to use when you're trying to tell someone what you use for your motivation or energy at work or at play or at school or whatever you do that needs music for that motivation. So what was Big Bear talking about with this sort of sexy Mozart at the beginning of this video? Well, that is using the same grammar structure but with a different preposition, with. See, if you want to sleep, like make your sleep a little bit better, or make it come quicker while listening to maybe classic music like Mozart, you would say, I like to sleep to Mozart. But if you change that preposition from to with, it kind of means that you've had sexy time with Mozart. Sleep with Mozart, sleep with someone is a kinder and softer way of saying have sex with someone. So we use this pretty much exclusively with sleep. So if you wanted to use a different action word like work with someone, ski with someone, play with someone, these are all going to be okay. That just mean doing that activity with or doing it alongside or together with that person. They don't mean anything sexual at all. Don't worry. Another thing that we can use with for is when we're talking about what we're using during an activity. If you say cleaning with a vacuum, it means using your vacuum to clean. If you say cooking with salt and pepper, it means you're using salt and pepper to make your food taste better. So now we know how to say what we're listening to or watching to motivate us or give us more energy to do things better. And we also know how to say a more kinder, roundabout way of saying to have sex with someone. Remember to come back for ways to learn real English. And remember to like, comment, and subscribe so that you'll never miss a video. Bye, guys. Oh, gosh. Bye, guys. Bye.